Hey cuties, it's me Noreen and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my DIY videos. Yes, I have some really fun DIY videos that you can try at home. There's room decor, best out of waste. So before we start the video, अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो please do subscribe my channel. It would really mean a lot. तो this is video को like करना. Now without wasting time, let's get started.
Take an A4 size paper of any color using a pen brush or wooden stick and start rolling it. So this process is really simple. Now apply some glue to stick its edge. Now it's look like a stick. I'll make some more colorful sticks. Now fold it into a triangle shape. You have to join both the ends together like so. Now I'll make such more triangles. I'm using colorful papers. I would recommend you guys to use origami paper because the finishing would be more clean and it would be more easy. Now take a plain paper and stick a triangle on top of it. And cut out the all excess. And then just flip and stick another triangle so it's looked like a star shape. I know I'm not able to explain it properly. I hope you guys are getting it. Once you stick all the triangles, this is how it looks, and here your holder is ready. Such a quick and great DIY using paper. I would definitely ask you guys to try this out. जैसे कि आपने देखा, this process is really simple.
मुझे इसका शेप बहुत पसंद आया और ये मेरे ख्याल से तो कोई भी बना सकता है. You guys can keep this on your desk and you can use this as a brush holder, as a decoration piece भी आप use कर सकते हो. आप इसमें flowers add कर सकते हैं, बहुत pretty लगेगा. It looks really pretty. I'm happy with today's DIY. So दोस्तों, this is it for today. अगर आपको आज का DIY पसंद आया तो give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel and wait for the next DIY. तब तक के लिए bye.